guess what? I'm here at Malacanang Palace hosting an event. Vargas Gate, yun ba yun? I've known that I would be able to do this. Last Women's Month, I got invited to host an event at Malacanang Palace. Napaka-swerte ko with the Trivia Down family for picking me as one of the hosts to give fun and entertainment with our public servants sa Malacanang. Sobrang saya kahit very competitive kasi lahat sila gustong manalo. Honestly, this is one for the books. I mean, how often does an individual gets to be asked to host an event at Malacanang Palace kung saan tumira lahat ng presidente sa Pilipinas? I mean, how could you even say no to that experience? Siyempre, magpapahuli ba ako na hindi ako magpapicture? We also got to tour around at some of the places in the palace. Princess Yarn. Iba rin talaga yung feeling. Where so many historical things happen. Parang very overwhelming and underwhelming siya at the same time. Pero hindi talaga normal yung lugar. Anyways, I'm just so thankful and grateful that I got to experience this in this life. Kahit muntik na ako hindi makalabas. Kasi bawal pala pumitas ang kabyas.